Hey everyone, it's Rick Sells Tools on YouTube and Rick Sells Tools on eBay. Another tool haul for you, all Craftsman, some really big and some really small. Here we go. Nice packing. So each one of these wrenches they had wrapped in plastic. I cut it all out. Anyway, nice packing job from this company, and here we go. We're gonna jump right in. So the biggest Craftsman wrench that I now currently own is this one. So this is a Craftsman 1 1/4 combo wrench, VV44708, VV44708. I'm gonna bring it in, try to showcase the best I can. That's a big wrench. That is a big wrench. So let's get it in so you can see the number VV44708. Hopefully you can see that. Has this wrench been used? I'll give you every angle I can. I'm not 100% sure this wrench has been used. It's got a couple marks out here. It could be from bouncing around and shipping also. I'm not 100% sure. This end. Whew, this is an old wrench, so it could have just been beaten around a cabinet. I'm not sure this wrench has ever been used. VV44708, 1 1/4 monster Craftsman. Another one here, VA44704, VA44704. This is a 15/16 wrench. This one has a little use on it. This has been used a few times. That's VA44704. Beauty. I could sit all day and stare at wrenches. That's kind of one of the reasons I started this as a hobby. I love tools. Another monster wrench. This is a 1 1/8. Man, these Craftsman feel so good in the hand. 1 1/8 VA44707, VA44707. This is how I got them. I didn't even have to clean these wrenches. This is how they came. I'm gonna try one thing with the lighting real quick here. Is this better or worse? You let me know. VA44705. This is 1 inch VA44705. Boy, I tell you, if these wrenches have been used, it's not very many times. VA44705. Inch. Okay, next wrench. VA44702, 13/16, VA44702, 13/16. These have been cleaned. This is how they came. Very rarely get wrenches this clean shipped to you. Looks like the only size missing from here so far is 7/8. Next one, 44701, VA 44701 3/4, VA 44701 3/4. Next one, 446 VA 44698, VA 44698 11/16. VA 44698 11/16. VA 44697 5/8, 44697 5/8. We have 6 to go. Here's 2 small ones. This is a VA 44692, 11/32. VA 44692, 11/32. And then we have VA 44691 5/16, VA 44691 5/16. Now regarding, if I'm not mistaken, let me check this out real quick. We have, starting down here, we have VA 44691, VA 44692, VA 44697, VA 44698, 701, 702, 704, 705, 707. If I'm not mistaken, these were ordered separately because I don't know that a set goes this high. This 1 1/4 is a VV 44708. These are all VA and a VV. Okay. I have this one, then I have a cool stubby set I've never seen in person before. This is a 7/16 Craftsman. I don't think it was made in the USA. It's a Z-AH. Z-AH 7/16 combo wrench. I want to say about as brand new as you could get. I don't think it's ever been used. Try to get you in there. Show you the number. It's a 99752 Z-H. Okay. Now, I have never seen these before, and these are heavy duty. These are cool. I've never seen these in person before. I want to run them by you. If you have any information on these, please let me know. One has an owner's mark on it. These probably worked in some kind of an industrial complex or something, because only this one has an owner's mark, and it says, if you can read it, it says box 24. Box 24. So this is a 1-inch stubby wrench. Craftsman, obviously Craftsman. Made in USA, VA 44110. VA 44110. I've never seen these in person, so obviously I've never touched them, nothing. Any information you want to give me in the comments below, feel free. I mean, it's mildly dirty because a VA wrench is, I'll put the year, but this wrench is fairly old. I think it's just been beat around. I don't think it's been used very much. So that's the 1-inch. This is the 15/16 VA 44102. VA 44102. 15/16. It's got an owner's mark, and the owner's mark is just, it's just a number 8 right here. Right above my finger. A number 8. That's it. I don't know that this wrench is, I mean, if these wrenches have been used, they haven't been used much. Take a look for yourself. See 15/16. And then you see VA 44102. Last wrench, VA 44100. Oh, this is a VV. Interesting. VA 44110. VV 44102. And then VV 4100. I'll show you. There's no owner's mark at all on this one. Show you both sides. And then we'll show you Craftsman 7/8. Business end, and VV 4100. All of these tools we for sale. Rick Sells Tools on eBay. Rick Sells Tools on eBay. So we have what I think is made in Taiwan or China, 7/16 Craftsman. Then we have the 3 Stubbies. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 piece. Not a full set, but some really high quality wrenches and some monsters up here. Everything will be for sale. Rick Sells Tools. This will be individual. These 3 will probably be sold together, and these will be sold as a set. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Tons more videos coming. See you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.